everybody, King of VHS Gamer 2000 here. In tonight's video, I'm going to be doing an update of the 1997 Hoover Splint model u4257-930. I'm not done a review of this machine for about a while, and I figured while I still have it on me, let's go ahead and do an update video of it. And we will go through those later in its appropriate part of the video. And this 1997 Hoover Splint has all of the attachments. Has the clevis tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and 2 extension ones, which did include with this machine finally. And my 1997 Hoover Splint has all of the original attachments. Clevis tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and 2 extension ones. But, with that said, we'll go ahead and give this a run. But anyway, now that my 1997 hoover splint is complete with all the attachments, I'm very happy that I have finally received my black Hoover Elite Clearance tool that I needed for this machine. And luckily, it does fit on here. So now, I no longer have problems with that anymore. So that is fantastic. And, I am absolutely loving this Hoover Elite. These are one of my favorite models to have all the attachments with it, so yeah. And now, my 1997 Hoover Splint has all of the attachments. It has the crevice tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, 2 extension ones. I actually took those from the 2000 Hoover Retinal Silver Power Premium. Model u4257-930, which is from April 2000, I want to say. At least I should say. But this 1997 Hoover Splint finally has all of the attachments with it. Has the clearance tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and 2 extension ones. Now I just gotta take my son Twin Energy to the vacuum sub, and I gotta get a new hair release, a new belt, and all the attachments for it. And I think that should be basically about it. So, yeah. And this 1997 Hoover Splint has all of the attachments. Has the clearance tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and 2 extension ones. And this 1997 Hoover Splint, no, I will not be selling that. This Hoover Splint, I am actually going to be keeping this one in my vacuum collection. I would just prefer to collect the old school Hoover Elites a little bit better because I like those. And the next machine I'm going to be on the hunt for next is the 1998 Hoover Encore Supreme Soft and White model u4257-930, which also has all the attachments just like this one, which is for starters, particularly because these Hoover Splint Elites I actually cared about when vacuum competition was at its peak. And this 1997 Hoover Splint has all of the attachments. Has the clearance tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and 2 extension ones, which are from a 2000 Hoover Retinal Ultra, model u6425-900. I decided to take the attachments off of that one and put on this. And luckily, it actually does fit it pretty well. No issues there. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.